Happy birthday, yep. Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, sweet birthday, 16th birthday, Angelo Donato Cipriano. Whoop whoop. Happy birthday to you. You gonna make wishes?
What is this?
What? Come on, you gonna make a wish? Come on, think about the wish. Think about the wish.
I think you're 17.
Yeah, it is one for good luck.
Like 1, 2.
Yeah, it is one for good luck. It is 16. You counted. I think it's 17. You're cute.
So.
It's one for good luck. Don't you know that? Come on. Happy birthday to you.
I believe it's 18.
Happy birthday to you. Well, that is a happy birthday candle, and that's an extra good luck because you're making a 100-year contract wish, you know, because you have 100 years on this life that you're on, and you've lived 16 of them. And what do you think your wish is going to be? Come on, before they...
Do you hear that?
I hear wax on our candle. Come on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Angelo. Happy birthday to you.
You got the stupid candles.
Don't wet those lips. You're gonna have to wet your fingers and squeeze the wick. You did it. You did it. You did it. Oh, you're cheating it. There you go. Yeah, just wet your fingers. Spin on them. And squeeze it. There you go. There you go.
Oh.
You might as well use the whipped cream fingers. There you go. Ooh, my goodness. Our chocolate was that's chocolate. Can you believe it? White chocolate. What do you think? Is it delish? Wow. That is interesting.